Say, that looks fun.
Yeah, it is.
But of course, before you launch it into the United States airspace, isn't there something you need to do?
Oh, yeah.
Of course. You should always check the current weather conditions before you fly.
Absolutely.
And
What?
the FAA needs to know if this particular flight is for your own personal enjoyment.
Really?
Yes, really. You are a certified FAA drone pilot under 14 CFR Part 107, are you not?
Yeah.
Right. But this monetized video is appearing on YouTube and therefore is in furtherance of a business.
Yeah, but I'm just doing it for fun. I mean, I'm just out here, you know.
Well, as a pilot in control of that fixed-wing aircraft about to be transversing the U.S. airspace, you'll need to register that thing.
Oh my.
And even though it's under 250 grams,
It is.
it will be appearing in a video on a platform in furtherance of a business.
Right.
Which means, as a Part 107 certificate holder, you must equip each craft with remote ID.
Oh my God, this is, no.
Better safe than sorry.
All right. Okay, what about this?
You mean that manually powered disc-shaped drone?
And this?
Tethered wind-powered drone. Having fun? Fantastic.
Even though for now you don't have to register any of these things, and it's patently ridiculous that anyone would ever ask you to do it, I have been asked by many people if they have to register and use RID on these objects. So I'm here at the Federal Aviation Administration's FAA drone zone, and I'm going to see if we can actually go ahead and get this registered along with the kite and the frisbee. First thing I'm going to do is log in. I agree with whatever. I'm going to launch my pilot's dashboard. This will show me my device inventory. Let's go to Add Device. Does my Balsa drone broadcast FAA remote ID information? I'm going to say no. UAS type. Home built. Yeah, I put this together. Nickname. Jetfire. Manufacturer. These are the choices. Wow. I'm going to go with me then. Model. Jetfire. And add device. Okay. So that is in my cart. Let's go ahead and add another device. Does my frisbee broadcast FAA remote ID information? No. UAS type. I didn't build it. Let's go with traditional. Nickname. Frisbee. Manufacturer. Sipton. I'll put that in. Model. The model number is really long, so I'm just going to put that in there. All right, I got 2 in here so far. Let's add another one. I'm going to add this kite. Add device. No, it doesn't broadcast RID. Device type. I did put it together. Nickname, kite. Manufacturer, it's made by Mintz Company. The model number, according to this, it's called a Delta kite. Okay, I got 3 new devices in here. You know, I'm curious. Let's add something that doesn't even fly and see if it'll let me do it. Let's go ahead and register this spoon. Add device. No, it does not broadcast RID. Device type. Let's go with home built. Nickname. Spoon. Manufacturer. Walmart. Model. Plastic. And add device. Okay, so here's my list. I got a frisbee. I got a glider. I got the kite and the spoon. Let's go ahead and check out. I will fly in accordance with, yeah. I understand I'm responsible for knowing and understanding the requirements, blah, 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 read and blah, blah, blah. Next. Okay, now I just have to pay. Okay, now I want to make sure to mark my aircraft. I understand in accordance with federal law, I can be fined if I obtain a certificate by knowingly falsifying or concealing material fact, making a false, fictitious, or fraudulent statement. Well, none of that happened, so go ahead and check that. And pay. Congratulations! I've done it! All right, so I've got new stuff in my inventory. Here's the number for my glider, so I better mark that. I've got this marked, and that is legal. Just got to slap some RID on that, and I can go have fun. Here's my number for my frisbee right here. Better mark that on here. All right, I got this marked up. I'm all legal with 107. I can now make money with my frisbee. And the kite. Here's my kite number. Got to mark that on there. Got the kite number all on here, so the man won't come and arrest me when I go try to fly my kite and have some fun. According to the FAA, if you're Part 107 certified, you have to have a separate RID device for each one of your drones. So I'm going to be using an Aeroping. Here's how much it is. So I have to spend 3 times that so I can make each one of these things legal for me to fly and make money and post on the YouTubes. This will be absolutely no problem. I'll just affix this to my aircraft and we'll be good to go. Registering all that stuff took me so long. It's dark out now, so I have to affix a Lume Cube strobe to it as well. Perfection. Finally ready for some fun. FAA legal frisbee. There we go.